So the first things to check is check your belts. One's under here. You can adjust that by turning this, this. Don't over tighten it because you'll snap the belt. So to tighten it, you push, you turn the knob that way. Loosen it, you turn it that way. Also check your bed's not rocking. If your bed's rocking, it's going to give you a vibration compensation failure as well. If you need to adjust them, there's eccentric nuts underneath there, which you use with the Spanish which they gave you. Also check this belt, and if it's too loose, you can adjust it here as well. So you can loosen it. Don't over tighten them because they'll snap. The other problem is there's a wire that goes to the module underneath, which is on this side. So to get to that, I just took the screen off, and then I'll show you how to actually just check the wiring's not come loose. If none of that works, contact Anycubic and they'll most probably send you out another bed. But I went through all of that. I checked all the belts, I checked the module, I took the wiring out and pushed it back in again, and the problem went away. So if you are getting an error, if you go down, if you turn the printer over at the back of the plate, you'll see that white plug here. Just make sure that that's pushed in, or just pull it out and push it back in again, because it does sometimes come loose from the vibration. But that's how you check it. It's just it plugs into the modulator, which is this little board here. So if you're getting problems, just give it a check. Make sure none of the wires are right, and make sure the plug's not pulled out, and then push it in. So hopefully that helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for my other videos I'll be posting.